Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to edit video from CapCut. So first thing you have to do now is just go open your CapCut application, and after that you just need to go click add new project here to create in the new project. Whenever you click it, you just need to go click a stock videos here, and now you just need to find out which video that you want to edit. Mostly I'll like to take from live section. So here we already have like several video that we can choose. For example, this one. And after you click it, you just need to go click add this video into our project, and here we already have it. So the editing today, I would like to make this video have the faster move. So the things that we need to bring these straight lines into the beginning of the clip. Okay, and after that you just need to go click the clip until it is in active mode, and after that you just need to go click this speed. And this speed you just need to go click normal. Now you can applying the speed that you want to add. If you want to make it faster, you just need to adjusting into the right side. If you want to make it slower, adjusting the point into the left side. So I would like to make it faster. I would like to make it become like 4 times faster. Okay, almost. It's a little bit tricky. Okay, and after you're done, you just need to go click done. And now let's have a check. You can see the video has the faster moving compared to the previous. So that's the way how to edit a video from CapCut. If you find out this tutorial today is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.